today's video, I will share with you 15 of the items that I sold in 1 week as a part-time reseller on eBay, Poshmark, and Mercari. These are everyday items that you can find at your thrift store and Goodwill shops that you can resell for a profit online. This is for the last week of February, so February 28th through March 5th. That's a Monday through a Saturday. It's the items that I shipped that week. Now this does not include every item that I sold that week, but just some of the highlights that I think you can find also at your thrift stores and garage sales. Let's get started. Okay, so we'll start on Poshmark this time. I sold this new without tag Boulder Creek jacket. It is flannel in a very large size 6XLT. I picked it up at a Goodwill for $5.25. I picked it up due to its very large size and being new without tag. I thought for sure someone would want this. I did run comps for it in the store and they looked pretty good. This sold within 1 week of listing for $37 and the buyer did pay shipping. So my profit, $24.35. The next item is also new with tag. It's a Doctor Who tank dress. This has been listed since last summer. I thought for sure someone would want it for Halloween as a costume, but it finally sold in March. I paid $3.50 for this at Goodwill. It sold for my full asking price on Poshmark of $24. So my profit, $15.70. It is also new with tags, and I thought for sure, like I said, someone would want it as a Halloween costume, but it took a few months to sell, and it did sell for a fairly good price, so I'm happy with that. The next item is a set of 3 bras, all size 34B. They are Victoria's Secret Dream Angels push-ups. The bras at my Goodwill store are $2 each, so I paid $6 for all 3. They sold within 2 weeks of listing for $50 on Poshmark. So my profit on the set of 3 bras, $34. And what I love about Victoria's Secret is on the tag, they tell you exactly what kind of bra it is. So on these tags here, it does say Dream Angels push-up. So keep your eye out for bras of any size. This is a rather smaller size. However, I do sell larger sizes for quite a bit of money as well. The next item that sold on Poshmark is a pair of Rock Revival denim jeans. I thought I would test the waters on this. I did pay up for these at Goodwill. I paid $15. They sold within 4 days of listing for my full asking price of $40. So my profit on these denim jeans, $17 when it was all said and done. I do not like to pay up for items at Goodwill, but like I said, I was testing the water on these Rock Revival denim jeans. The Goodwill here tends to mark up Rock Revival and Miss Me jeans to $15. So I thought I would take a chance on it and see what happened. I'm not so sure that I would pay up for these type of jeans again, considering my profit was only $17, but we'll see. The last item I like to share with you on Poshmark is an Athleta skirt. The Goodwill here had several of these, so I bought them all. This is probably the 3rd one that I've sold. I paid $3.75 each for the skirts. This sold for my full asking price of $34 on Poshmark. So my profit, $23.45. For you guys out there, a skirt is a skirt that has shorts underneath. Usually athletic wear. They use them for golf, tennis, possibly running. And the thing I like about Athleta is they add the style number on the tag. So if you see here, it says style number 60083. So looking at that, I was able to tell that it is the Athleta Runaround skirt. My title also includes size medium. It's black and purple. It's a layered look. I added the keyword athletic and skirt as well as the style number in case someone was searching for this specific style code. Next, we'll hop over to eBay. I sold this new with tag Western shirt. This is a panhandle slim for women. I paid $3.50 for this last summer, so I had it for quite a while. It did finally sell in March. I accepted an offer of $21 plus $7 shipping, so the buyer was $28 all in. When it was all said and done, I made a profit of $16.18. I thought this would sell for a little bit more money as it is new with tag. Panhandle Slim is a good Western brand. But when the offer came in of $21, knowing that I had it going on 6 months, I went ahead and accepted it. You can see here from this new with tag, the actual retail price was $28.99. So I guess I did pretty good after all on this shirt. The next item on eBay is a pair of Pilcrow and the letterpress denim jeans. These were also new with tag. So if you've not caught on, I pick up several new with tag items at my Goodwill, and they do not often mark up the new with tag clothing. I paid $4.75 for this at Goodwill. It's sold on promotion for $59.99, and the buyer did pay shipping of $9. This sold within 1 week of listing. My profit, $47.07. So I often do pick up anything that is new with tags, as I'm sure I can make my money back and then some. This was the first time that I've actually found this Pilcrow and letterpress at my Goodwill store, and I was beyond excited to cross this bolo off of my list. Bolo, by the way, means be on the lookout for. How's everyone doing? Do you like this content? If so, do me a favor and click that like button, which is the thumbs up. It tells me you like this kind of video and would love for me to create more of them. It takes just a second, it's free, and it really helps my channel. The next item on eBay is also new with tags. This is a Lula robe. I did pick up several of these dresses as they were plus size and new with tag. I have had this one for over 2 years. I paid $2 for several of these. This was $2 each. I sent the buyer an offer of $19.92 plus $7 shipping. I know that because the offers that I send to my buyers end in 0.92. It's just a reference that I have, so I know that something sold on an offer to watcher. So my profit on this plus size dress, once it was all said and done, was $16.44. Not so sure I'll be picking up any new LuLaRoe in the near future, as this did take quite a while to sell, but LuLaRoe still sells. The next item on eBay is also new with tag. It's Hollister skinny jeans for men. This sold within 2 days of listing. I paid $4.75 for these pair of jeans. Sold for my full asking price of $48.99, and the buyer did pay $9 shipping. So my profit, $37.50. Again, new with tag, men's. Hollister, I was a little questionable on, as it is a mall brand. But as you can see from this sale price of nearly $50, I will definitely be looking for this again at my thrift store. The next item is also new. It's a Needle Treasures cross-stitch kit. Now I have had this for 1.5 years. I paid 50 cents for this at a garage sale. I sent an offer to watcher of $11.92 plus $7 shipping, which they accepted. So my profit on this kit, $11.53. These you can quickly run the UPC code. I usually scan this code on Amazon to see what the value of such needle kits are. Some of them have been retired for quite some time, and they are more valuable than this one. The next item on eBay is a pair of Vans Disney Tigger shoes. This was a small size 5.5. I paid $5 for these at Goodwill. As you can see, I had them priced high at over $100. On clearance of 40%, they were priced at $65.93. However, a buyer sent me an offer of $35 plus $9 shipping, which I accepted. I know, a lowball offer, but I've had these since November, and they finally sold in March. I think the smaller size, being a 5.5, hindered them from selling any higher. I have sold Vans Looney Tune high top sneakers. That's why I picked these up. But like I said, I do believe the smaller size took them a little bit longer to sell. So my profit on these shoes, $25.08. Next up is a scrub shirt, Charlie Brown. It's the Great Pumpkin, a plus size 3X. Paid $3.75 for this. It sold within 8 days of listing in February. The buyer sent me an offer of $27 plus $7 shipping, which I accepted. So my profit on this plus size Halloween scrub shirt that sold in February was $21.96. I do have luck selling scrub shirts, novelty designs throughout the year, especially when they are a larger size. The last item that I'd like to share with you that's sold on eBay is a Harley Davidson hooded jacket. Goodwill marked this up to $6. As you can see, they write it right on the inner tag, and I just leave it there instead of trying to remove it. I disclose that in my listing, and the buyer bought it anyway. As you can see here, it's dated 2008. The buyer paid my full price of $39.88 plus $10 shipping, so they were about $50 all in on this hooded jacket. My profit, $29.20. Looking at these keywords, I added them all. Harley Davidson motorcycles, size small. It's a full zip. I included the keyword hoodie, jacket, hooded, sweatshirt, and black. Next, we'll hop over to Mercari. I sold a FootJoy polo golf shirt, plus size 2X. It sold within 4 days of listing for my full price of $23. I paid $3.75 for this at Goodwill. The buyer did pay shipping, so my profit, $15.98. And the last item I'd like to share with you, also sold on Mercari. It is a Polo Ralph Lauren crew sweatshirt. I pretty much gave up picking up anything Polo Ralph Lauren as I thought the market was saturated, but I took a chance on this. I paid $3.75 for this. It sold within 1 week of listing for my full price of $24 on Mercari. So my profit on the sweatshirt, $16.85. I'm wondering, do you still sell Polo Ralph Lauren? And if so, what kind of money are you asking for it? Leave a comment below and let me know. I just shared with you 15 of the items that I sold last week that helped me gross close to $1,700 as a part-time reseller. Now that is over $1,000 net profit, and we all know that's the number that matters the most, right? Net profit is the amount of money that goes into your bank account after your cost of goods sold and any fees associated. But $1,000 a week as a part-time reseller, not a bad gig. I shared these items with you today in hopes that you can go find these items to flip for yourself and make some money online. If you found today's video helpful, go ahead and give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel so you don't miss the next one. I will link another What Sold video here. Continue watching.